Last day. It's time to pack up the suitcase. Sad day. You see Dena.
One of my next.
Where you going, Dena? No, I'm saying your next cruise. Your next cruise. She thinks she's going to Galveston with me tomorrow, getting in my car.
Where I'm going on my next cruise? Maybe to St. Thomas and St. Where did I say?
Oh, yeah, I want to go.
Somewhere in the Virgin Islands.
That's where I want to go.
Yep. And I'm going to Hawaii. Then to Europe.
Are we packing our clothes, Dena?
Sort of. I'm sort of putting some things together. All my dirty clothes.
I know.
I can dump them in here.
So what do? You move them from one hamper to the next? And then just kind of put it into the suitcase?
Yep. Yep, so I can keep them separate from them.
Right.
Clothes. Last time I had two separate suitcases. All my dirty clothes went in one suitcase all by itself, my small suitcase.
So that's nice when you have two separate.
Not this time. Plus I gotta add more to it. What I got on. Anyway. I'm not a very neat packer.
Wow. Okay. We beat up